Hi, this is Paul from globaltradingsoftware.com, and today's trading tutorial really is about breakouts. So we've had an indicator suite called the BITS, the Breakout Intelligent Trading Signals indicator, for a long time now, and that looks at volume and price action. It's basically looking for squeezes. Now, since then we've brought out the manager, which looks at volume, accumulation, distribution, average volume and price action. So what I've done is I've combined these together today because I haven't made a video on the bits for a long time, but I want to show you some really great breakout trades with this, both on futures and on crypto in this example. So this is the thing called swim version. We can see the bits signals down here. What the bits looks for is an increase in volume from the previous candle, but the actual range of the candle is shorter, is squeezed than the previous 20 candles on average. So what it looks for is it's like a squeeze situation where there's lots of volume building up in that candle, but the range is very small. And where my cursor is right now, that's what we get in this instance here. So again, like the manager, we color the candles. Okay, the green candle is increased volume. It's an up candle. The grey candle is an up candle, but the green is more volume than the grey, so it's coloured in green. And then the intelligent trading signals part of the breakout of the bits is telling us that actually this is in the right situation for a breakout here. The range of that candle compared to the volume is it's ready to squeeze, it's ready to go, and it gives you an entry here, gives you a stop. 82.685, so it's 82.69. It's very precise, and you look for that breakout, and there it goes, boom, all the way up, and then you get another one all the way up here to a high of 83.18, and we had an 82.69 entry there. Now, using the manager to manage these trades, we get a big red candle here, which is more volume than the previous candle, and it's higher than average volume. You see the little cyan dot above this big red candle? That means it's higher than average volume. It's bearish engulfing. Get out. If you're more conservative, just wait for the red cloud on the manager to say, right, get out. Remember, that's 4 candles in advance, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's at that price. 82.99 would have been the exit there. On the close of this candle, 83.06, so 7 ticks in difference there. But the main thing I wanted to show you was that now the technology has advanced. We've now been able to give you those breakout signals with the bits, which has been available for 3 years now. But now we've got the manager, we can understand a little bit more about that price action volume, and we can actually say, you know, get out, get in. This trade here, 83.05, we did not take this trade. Look, it's not gone through the entry, and it's gone down below the stop, and it's gone further down. But this is what you're looking for here. Short, you see here this candle, this is the signal candle, very small candle, increased in volumes, ready to pounce, ready to break out, and that's what it does. And then using that manager to actually manage those trades and understand the higher than average volume, the big red candle, time to get out. That's your aggressive exit. Or you can wait, see if it pulls back, and look for the cloud on the manager to tell you to get out there. Now, trading view version. Okay, so this is Solano, SOLUSDT. Again, the bits relies on volume, so you've got to have a broker that gives you volume. Okay, so if you're a forex trader, make sure your broker gives you volume. I just want to show you this Solano. Okay, the numbers aren't printed on here. The numbers are printed on the latest one. You see here, it's actually printed a potential long at 158.96 with this stop down here. So it's labeled slightly different, but this has found that squeeze with higher volume, and that's the breakout there. These shorts were just as good here. You see this green was the entry for the short. The signal candle was here, and it went all the way down. These 4 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4 here are your what we call targets. These are fib zones. So you know, this is the 4th target, 1st target. Some people just break out, scalp, and go 2nd target, get out. There was a further trade signal here, to go down, to go short, hit the third target just about there. You can see the manager telling you to get out 1, 2, 3, 4 candles on this candle here. So again, very, very astute, very accurate, and looks at the bias indicator as well. Yes, it's short. There's a short bias on a higher time frame. We've got higher volume than the previous candle. It's a squeeze candle. We're looking for the short. Or in this case now, what we're looking for is a long. And with the bits indicator, we also provide yesterday's close, the midpoint, the high of yesterday, yesterday's low, all that sort of thing to help you with those levels. Now, right now, as long as this stop's not broken for this bit signal, we'd be looking for a long on Solana at 158.96 because we've got that squeeze, we've got increased volume. It's recognized now that we could actually get a real breakout on Solana. So hopefully this helps. The bits indicator, I'm going to put the link in the description for this video, combined with the new manager now makes a great combination for breakout trades for those on smaller time frames, really. 1 minute, 3 minute, 2 minute, 5 minute. I mean, you can go as much as 15 minutes, but these really designed for breakouts. Hopefully this helps. Speak to you all really soon.